welcome to another video. My name is Sukaja and today it's going to be a vlog because I am taking you all glamping. So glamping is a new concept that's become very popular in Bangalore, and glamping offers a quick and easy escape from the city, and it's also an option for people who like to do staycations. So today me and my husband are on our way to Glamp Wilderness, which is near Nelamangala in Bangalore, which is towards the outskirts of Bangalore. Checked in at 2 p.m. sharp without any hassle. So now I'm going to give you a cabin tour of the cabin that was allotted to us. Over here we have like a lotus pond. There's also a lovely swing on the outside of the cabin along with a couple of chairs and a table if you want to chill there. There's also another couple of chairs and a table with an umbrella right in front of the cabin, and there's also a jacuzzi on the left side of the cabin, which is pretty private but it's still on the outside. Let me go inside now. So there's this lovely window overlooking the grass and greenery outside. We have a wooden ceiling and also a sofa here, as well as some items provided by the staff for an enjoyable and pleasant stay. And outside we have a seating area for the jacuzzi, and here is a jacuzzi which is very easy to operate and it's very much outside. So that's the cabin. So this is the poolside area, and this is where they serve high tea at around 5 o'clock every day, and it's a pretty fun place. It has been quite a long day. We've had a lot of food to eat. When we came in, the first thing we did was head for lunch, and then we checked in. We also just had a walkabout. Now we have booked ourselves for a foot massage, and post that we are going to have dinner. Food was very good here. There was no issue with the food. There was a buffet format. There's a lot of nice music that's being played. The high tea was nice as well. That's by the poolside. It did rain here, so it does have this really nice vibe to it. This is what the inside of the cabin looks like in the morning when you wake up first thing. You have shutters and blinds that help keep the light out, but it is going to be very bright. Hi guys, so it is the second day morning and we've had a great time at Glamp Wilderness. We just had breakfast and the breakfast was really yum as well. Also got to use the jacuzzi twice on this trip, so that was fun. We have a little lotus pond right next to our cabin, so that's always nice to be able to go and look at the pond. And there's koi in the pond. There's some couple of lotuses that have bloomed this morning. There's also a few flowers outside that bloomed. It was also raining throughout the night and stuff, so it was really nice. Lovely ambience, very ASMR in and around the cabin. So overall I had a great time, and I would highly recommend for any individual looking to get some much needed R&R. It's a really good place to like check out. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll be back with another video very soon. In the meantime, stay safe, stay sane. Bye.